Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, so this is day 4 of our creation of man lesson. It is found in the Bible in Genesis 1:26 through chapter 2 on to verse 23. All right, so we're going to quickly review what we've talked about so far, which includes last week. Last week we talked about how, let's get back. I'm sorry. We talked about how God made the world. We talked about how everything was dark and without form and void, and how God spoke and he said, "Let there be light." He made sky and he made the water and he made this divide between the two. He also made the sun, the moon, and the stars. He made dry land come up out of the water, and he made plants to grow on the dry land. He also made the birds of the air and the fish of the sea. He made the animals that walk on the dry land. But God was still lonely. He wasn't satisfied with just having animals and plants in a beautiful place. So God decided to make man. He grabbed some dust from the earth and he breathed his own life into the dust. And he made Adam. He made the first man. But God also didn't want Adam to be lonely. He told Adam he wanted him to take care of all the animals and to help him with gardening and to take care of the world that he gave him. But he didn't want him to be lonely. So God put Adam into a deep sleep and took a rib out of his side. And when Adam woke up, God had breathed life into Eve and he made the first woman. Now, something special about this was that God told Adam and Eve, you can do anything. You can fly. You could do anything you want. You could take care of anything, anytime in my garden. But please do not eat from this tree over here called the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. He told them, he said, it will make you die on the inside. Do not eat from that tree. It will hurt you. But unfortunately, through some temptation, Adam and Eve disobeyed God. They ate from that tree. They could have done anything that they wanted, but eat from that tree. And of course, they couldn't help it. It was too much temptation. They ate from the tree, and they were sick inside. They disobeyed God, and when they did, yucky sin came into the world and came into their hearts. And God was so sad. He was so sad that it made his beautiful world that he had made and his awesome people that he had made sick with yucky sin. But God had an awesome plan already on his mind on how he was going to save his people.